So this is part 3 of Zoom meeting conduction, and this video is primarily focused upon screen sharing option exploration as well as during termination of meeting what care should be taken off. So now regarding screen sharing option, so if you have clicked on share and screen or whiteboard, so what a person or host can do is you can click on more option, you can go in meeting settings, and you can you see this you can see this content share option. So on content share there are two options. First is annotate and second is show names of annotators. So annotate option gives the authority to participant to do any kind of activity on screen. So if I enable this annotate option, sorry, if annotate option, and this show names of annotator should always be enabled. So somehow if I do this thing on my screen, so whenever a participant tries to do any kind of scribbling, so it is reflected on our screen about which person is doing that thing. So the idea behind this demonstration was only to show that if you click on more and meeting settings and then if you click on show names of annotators, so this option should always be enabled irrespective if you're sharing content or not. Because as again we can see that as soon as a person starts scribbling on screen, so name also is displayed about which user is trying to do this. And second thing, if you do not want to allow any participant to do any kind of activity on your screen whenever you're sharing it, so annotate option should be disabled. And if this option is selected, so on participant screen there is no option of doing any kind of activity on this screen. So this was the first thing regarding what care to take off. Again, I'll repeat it. An annotate option can be chosen from meeting settings under more, and if you click on annotate option, so it will allow participants to modify the contents on your screen according to their choice. So this option should be disabled, annotate, unless and until you are expecting some students to select one option among many questions. And show names of annotators option should always be enabled. The participant's name will be briefly displayed besides their annotation. So if somehow they're scribbling on screen through some user, then his or her name will be reflected or displayed on screen, and accordingly the host now can identify which user had done that thing, and that user can be removed or can be put into waiting room. So this option is one of the most essential options that a host needs to take care of as soon as that screen sharing option is enabled. And the last thing, after thorough conduction of your session, while exiting this meeting, so there is an option of end. As you all can see on this rightmost top corner, there's an option of end. So while ending meeting, if a host clicks on end option, then there are two options. The first option is end meeting for all. So this option should always be selected, else some other participant will be designated as a host and unwanted activities may be carried out. Because if a host clicks on leave meeting, then only the host has left the meeting. Other participants have not left. So on a random basis, some other participant will be made as a host. So extreme care should be taken during ending meeting as well. So once we have clicked on end meeting for, so now irrespective that participants count and participants issues, meeting can be ended. So this was part 3 of this tutorial. So if all these steps are taken care of, then there won't be much nuisances created during your actual content deliberation through Zoom meeting application. Thank you.